George Bernard Shaw, the maverick of modern drama. George Bernard Shaw, an Irish playwright, critic, and polemicist, is one of the most influential figures in modern drama. Born on July 26, 1856, in Dublin, Ireland, Shaw's extensive body of work spans plays, essays, and critical reviews, making him a towering figure in both literature and social commentary. His sharp wit, keen intellect, and unwavering commitment to social reform are hallmarks of his legacy. Early life and background. 1. Family and early influences. Shaw was born to George Carr Shaw, a civil servant and grain merchant, and Lucinda Elizabeth Shaw, a singer and music teacher. Despite the family's financial struggles, Shaw's mother instilled in him a love for music and the arts. Though education. Shaw attended various schools in Dublin, but he was largely self-educated. He read extensively and developed a deep interest in literature, music, and the visual arts. At the age of 20, he moved to London to pursue a career as a writer. Early career and struggles. 1. Writing and criticism. Shaw's early years in London were marked by poverty and struggle. He wrote 5 novels, all of which were rejected by publishers. Despite these setbacks, he continued to write and became involved in journalism and literary criticism. His work as a music and theatre critic for various publications helped him refine his critical voice. Though political involvement. Shaw joined the Fabian Society in 1884, a socialist organization dedicated to the gradual reform of society through democratic means. His involvement with the Fabians deeply influenced his political and social views, which would later permeate his writings. Rise to prominence. 1. Early plays and success. Shaw's breakthrough came with the success of his play, Arms and the Man, 1894, a satirical comedy that critiqued romanticized notions of war and heroism. This play established Shaw as a prominent playwright and showcased his talent for blending humor with social critique. Though major works and themes. Shaw's body of work is characterized by its sharp wit, intellectual rigor, and focus on social issues. Some of his most famous plays include Candida, 1894, The Devil's Disciple, 1897, Caesar and Cleopatra, 1898, and Man and Superman, 1903. His plays often challenged conventional norms and addressed topics such as class inequality, gender roles, and the follies of war. Philosophy and literary style. 1. Social critique and satire. Shaw's plays are renowned for their social critique and satirical edge. He used his works to question societal norms, criticize hypocrisy, and advocate for social reform. His play, Mrs. Warren's Profession, 1893, which dealt with prostitution and economic exploitation, was initially banned for its controversial subject matter. Though innovative drama. Shaw was a pioneer of the problem play, a genre that addressed social issues through realistic characters and situations. His plays often featured complex characters, witty dialogue, and provocative themes. He eschewed melodrama in favor of intellectual debates and moral dilemmas, inviting audiences to think critically about societal issues. Later career and achievements. 1. Pygmalion and Legacy. One of Shaw's most enduring works is Pygmalion, 1913, a play about the transformation of a Cockney flower girl, Eliza Doolittle, into a refined lady under the tutelage of Professor Henry Higgins. The play was later adapted into the musical, My Fair Lady, cementing Shaw's legacy in both theatre and film. Though Nobel Prize and recognition. In 1925, Shaw was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his contributions to drama and social critique. He used the prize money to fund a project to translate his works into Swedish. Shaw remains the only person to have been awarded both a Nobel Prize and an Academy Award for the screenplay of Pygmalion. Political and social activism. 1. Fabian Socialism. Shaw's involvement with the Fabian Society shaped his political views and activism. He advocated for socialism, women's rights, and the abolition of poverty. His writings and public speeches often addressed issues such as income inequality, education reform, and healthcare. Though vegetarianism and health. Shaw was a committed vegetarian and advocated for healthy living. He believed that diet and lifestyle choices were integral to personal and social well-being. His advocacy for vegetarianism was part of his broader commitment to social and ethical reform. Legacy and influence. 1. Impact on modern drama. Shaw's innovative approach to drama and his focus on social issues had a profound impact on modern theatre. He paved the way for subsequent playwrights to use the stage as a platform for social commentary and intellectual discourse. Though continued relevance, Shaw's works continue to be performed and studied worldwide. His keen observations on human nature, society, and politics remain relevant, and his plays are celebrated for their wit, intelligence, and enduring social critique. George Bernard Shaw's legacy as a playwright, critic, and social reformer is unparalleled. His ability to blend humor, intellect, and social commentary revolutionized modern drama and left an indelible mark on literature and society. Shaw's works continue to challenge, entertain, and inspire, reflecting his enduring belief in the power of the written word to provoke thought and drive change. His contributions to theatre and his commitment to social justice remain a testament to his genius and vision.